Okay, good morning everyone. So, our topic for today is types of masonry. But before everything, I want you to look at this video first.
Types of masonry. Brick masonry. Advantages: bricks. Highly economical, as the raw material available easily. Very strong and durable. Fire resistant. Can design flexibility. Very low maintenance. Requires less skilled labor for installation. Good strength for ordinary construction. Disadvantages: bricks. Low tensile strength. Absorbs water, making mortar mix dehydrated. Changes color when exposed to sun for long. Further requires plastering and painting. Can cause degradation in extreme weathers. Strong foundation is musty. RCC. Requires constant care and maintenance. Non-load bearing partition walls. Brick wall are 10 centimeters, half brick, wide with RCC lintel at top, preferable every 2.4 meter height. Wooden partition, board panels, cement, asbestos, gypsum, fixed in wooden framework. Glass blocks, special glass used for architectural purposes. Concrete hollow block masonry. Concrete hollow block masonry. Due to shortage of good clay, kilns, fuel for burning bricks and environmental reasons have necessitated use of concrete blocks. It's made of cast concrete, sand and fine gravel. Have load capacity more than bricks. Usage of reinforced further strengthens the structure. Concrete hollow block masonry. The blocks can be casted to desired shape and various sizes. Can be solid, or have single or multiple hollows. The nominal size of the block is 39 centimeters by 19 centimeters by 30 or 20 or 10 centimeter. Quality control is easier to manage. Plastering can be eliminated. Ensure blocks are properly cured before usage. Better fire resistance properties. Good acoustic performance. Precautions: concrete hollow blocks. Joints should be not more than 10 centimeters. Ensure quality of mortar, not less than 1:6. In case of RCC structure, fill the layers adjoining to RCC beam with concrete. If skirting is to be provided, ensure use of small blocks for bottommost layer. Utilities, plumbing and electrical, are difficult to install. Temporary nailing of shuttering plywood is difficult. Types of hollow concrete block use in construction. Stretcher. Corner blocks. Beam or lintel blocks. Headers. Jam blocks. Reinforcement in block masonry. Generally provided at third or fourth course. In vertical direction, special blocks are needed. Masonry columns. Lintels can be casted with proper design approvals. AAC block masonry. Autoclaved aerated concrete. AAC is a highly thermally insulating concrete-based material used for both external and internal construction. AAC block having lower density than the conventional bricks. Requirement of mortar for laying of AAC blocks is reduced due to the lower number of joints. AAC advantages: provides clean and crisp appearance. Porous structure allows for superior acoustics. Fire resistant. Thermal insulated, providing energy efficiency. Lighter material and easy to work with. Assembly is much quicker and smoother. Great durability, not easily affected by harsh climates and extreme change in weather conditions. Environment-friendly product. AAC disadvantages: installation during rainy weather. Air grease is known to crack after installation. which can be avoided by ensuring the blocks are dry during and after installation. Brittle nature need to be handled more carefully to avoid breakages. Fixings. The brittle nature of the blocks requires longer, thinner screws when fitting cabinets and wall hangings.
Okay, that's all. So, there are three types of masonry. First is the bricks, second is the hollow block, and the third is the AEC. So it was explained earlier that there are their, their advantages and disadvantages. So under bricks, the advantages of bricks is highly economical as the raw materials available easily, very strong and durable. Of course, ang also bricks is also the most common and available easily. Fire resistant, can design flexibility, very low maintenance, requires less skilled labor for installation, good strength for ordinary construction. So most of the houses today is made by blocks because it is more attractive, more unlike hollow blocks. So also these are disadvantages of bricks. Low tensile strength, absorbs water making mortar mixed hydrated, changes color when exposed to sun for long, further requires plastering and painting, can cause degradation in extreme weathers. Strong foundation is most usually RCC, requires constant care and maintenance. So, bricks is be- because it would change its color, you have to maintain it properly. So it would be look so attractive even when it lasts long. So advantages of hollow blocks. Due to shortage of good clays, cleans fuel of burning bricks and environmental reasons. Oh, they don't have advantages of hollow blocks. So hollow blocks is made of cast concrete, sand, and fine gravel. Usage of reinforcement further strengthens the structure. Can be solid or have single or multiple hollows. Quality control is easier to manage. Plastering can be eliminated. Ensure blocks are properly cured before usage. Better fire properties. Good acoustic performance. So of course, these are also a lot of advantages with the hollow blocks because it is most common in our houses, especially here we only use these hollow blocks since it would be cheaper than bricks. Precautions of using hollow blocks. Joints should be not more than 10 cm. Ensure quality of mortar, not less than 1/6. In case RCC structure, fill the layers joining the RCC beam to concrete. If skirting is to be provided, ensure use of small blocks per bottommost layer. Utilities, plumbing and electrical are difficult to install. Temporary nailing of shuttering plywood is difficult. So let's go under AEC. AEC advantages. Provides clean and crisp appearance. Forest structure allows for superior acoustics, fire resistant, thermal insulated providing energy efficiency, lighter material and easy to work with, Assembly is much quicker and smoother. Great durability, not easily affected by harsh climates, and extreme change in weather conditions. Environment friendly product. So, for me, among these three common types of masonry, I would rather recommend the AEC, concrete blocks, because as it was said earlier, bricks can fade its color when it's is um, longer in the sun. But with this, the it doesn't change its color. Of course, it is look more quicker and smoother in assembling, and fire resistant. Of course, these three is all fire resistant. Environment friendly, great durability, not easily affected by harsh climates and extreme changes in weather conditions. So these are these disadvantages. Installation during rainy weather, concrete is known to crack after installation, which can be avoided to ensure the blocks are dry during and after installation. So, of course, if you don't ensure that it was all dry before and after it is made, it would be easier to be ruined by changing climates. Of course, we also know that in hollow blocks, also in bricks, brittle nature need to be handled more carefully to avoid breakages. Fixing the brittle nature of the blocks requires longer, thinner screws than fitting cabinets and wall hangings. So that's all. I hope you really understand my discussion today because I had my assessments. We had later on we had a written test, or would you like oral examinations? Don't you? Okay, let's have written test later on. And also I will going to demonstrate what what is its uses and how to be done. Later on we'll go to our laboratory. Also, I would explain to you how to use it for you to, because our second assessment, which is next meeting, I want you to demonstrate in front of everyone one by one on, you can choose between the three on what would you prefer. That's it. Any questions? Yes. Okay. I will discuss it again. The three types of masonry: the brick masonry, hollow block, and the AEC. Another question, please. Oh, you don't have to worry with that. I know you can do it next week, for I will also be discussing first before you're going to demonstrate it to me one by one. Okay, thank you for listening. Please, I will send you this file for you to read it again, and later on I will going to have a written test.